5 ways to use the phrasal verb pick up. Pick up, meaning tidy up or clean. Example sentence: can you pick up your toys from the floor and put them away? Can you pick up your toys from the floor and put them away? That was the first use of the phrasal verb pick up, and just meaning pick something up from the floor, pick it up from the table, pick it up from somewhere. Okay, that's your first way of using pick up. Here is your second way. Pick up, meaning learn quickly. Example sentence: she picked up Spanish in 6 months. She picked up Spanish in 6 months. That was your second way of using pick up, meaning learn quickly. So you learn a language quickly. You learn a trade quickly. You learn how to use computers quickly. So you pick up computers quickly. You pick up a hobby quickly. You pick up a language quickly. So you pick up. Another use of the word, 2 words rather, pick up. Now, here comes your third use of pick up. Pick up, meaning improve. Example sentence: sales picked up during the Christmas period. Sales picked up during the Christmas period. That was your third way of using pick up. And that meant improve. So pick up can mean pick something up from the floor. Pick up can mean you can pick up a language, you can pick up a hobby. And the third one is it can improve. So the weather can pick up, the weather can improve. Now, your fourth one, here it comes, your fourth use of pick up. Pick up, meaning collect. Example sentence: while you're in town, can you pick up some bread from the shop? While you're in town, can you pick up some bread from the shop? That was your fourth use. You can pick up something on the way to somewhere. As the video said, can you pick up some bread from the town? Can you pick up John from the station? Can you pick up some money from the bank? That's another way of using the word pick up. Now, for your fifth and final use of pick up, here it comes. Pick up, meaning collect and take to the same destination. Example sentence: can you pick up John on the way to the party? Can you pick up John on the way to the party? That was your fifth use of pick up, meaning collect and take to the same destination. So, like, can you pick up John on the way to the party? Because he's going to the party. So you pick him up on the way to the party. You can pick things up on the way to somewhere that you take whatever you pick up to your destination. And that is all for today. That is pick up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you find out every time we make a video and learn something new every day. Bye for now.